Hey guys, so if you've been thinking about starting a website, I recently started a website and I recently got a signed up for autoresponder package or for email marketing. Now, why did I do this? I signed up. Now guys, the best time to start a website, especially for 2020, or if you're thinking of starting a business in 2020, the best time is now, Black Friday, $2. I'll leave links below. I am an affiliate for both these companies, and I'm joined up with both these companies because they're awesome. That's why I'm with them. Now, I don't want to hear any moaning and groaning either about I can't afford it and blah blah blah. If they're one of those people, don't listen to this YouTube. It's basically that simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I don't want to hear any excuses. There's no excuses anymore. People spend thousands, hundreds of thousands going to university, come out the end of it, and may not have a job. Okay, so $2.65, guys. Okay, at the moment, Black Friday, $2.65 a month. That's a month, guys. Okay, so that's, what is that? 50 cents a week. I can guarantee you that you can find 50, 60 cents a week extra in your budget. And this means your own business, guys. Now, you will be also wanting what's called an autoresponder. Now, look, Black Friday, 40% off for life. Okay, that's why I recently signed up. I actually signed up. I've had a website with Bluehost for about 3 months, and I've been humming and hawing whether to get an email marketing autoresponder program so that I can get people's email list, so I can put opt-in forms on my website and people can opt in and get whatever I'm promoting, like a free ebooks, etc. Okay. Now, so I signed up with this Black Friday deal because 40% off for life. Okay. What did I pay? I'm in New Zealand here, and I think turns out to be $19 a month, guys. But let's have a look at the pricing. But I'll just turn down that Xbox. But I think if you're in the States, look at this, guys. There you go. Up to 1,000 on your list, $10.46 a month. That's American dollars. Okay, turns out to be like I said, in New Zealand dollars here, it's $19.95 or something. So that's a month. So let's go back to, and you can join these other ones. What I'm saying is, no better time. Okay. To join up, because both these companies, and I'll leave links below, both these companies have got Black Friday deals on right now, guys. So if you are thinking about starting a business, especially in like 2020 or even now, best time to start is now, guys, because of the price. I think they'll shoot back up. It's usually, look at that, $12.30 a month. And you're going to get $2.65. That's usually, what is that? Usually $2.95, I think. Okay, like I say, I'm joined up with both these people recently. I will leave a link below for these. Look, free domain for the first year, 60% off WordPress hosting, 50% off what more can I say? This is basically, I wanted to make a short video to say Now hold on, I'll just show you if I can. This is my website. That's my website, guys, just to prove to you that, so that's inside my WordPress, hosted by, hosted by Bluehost. Okay, I'll see if I can prove to you that I've joined up to here, if I can, guys. Log in. This is GetResponse, so this is my autoresponder. Hopefully, here we go. So that's me, and I'll just prove to you that I'm also a member of GetResponse. Oops. Okay, email password. Okay, let's have a look. It's probably blah 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 blah. Change that. But yeah, time for excuses is gone. Hold on. I'm always forgetting my passwords and that. Okay. So bear with me, guys, bear with me. There I am. I'm in. Okay? So I've subscribed to both these. This is my business. How many people can say that? Can you guys say that? This is my business. Here we are. I haven't 0 days to Black Friday. Yes, definitely saved. And I haven't actually done anything yet except put it in my let's have a look. Let's have a look, guys. See? GetResponse is in my it's installed in my WordPress. I haven't activated it yet because I've got another at the moment. If you guys want a free just for the time being, if you don't want to get into GetResponse, you can get into you can get a pop-up email on your site through HelloBar. Okay, that's if you want a free pop-up site, but it can't do everything obviously that GetResponse can do. And I think you can run both these. I haven't tried that out, but I'm going to try running both these. Because HelloBar's got a good pop-up screen, opt-in screen, that covers the whole page, guys, so that's quite cool. And GetResponse. So there you go. I'm a member of both those. This is my business, like, forevermore now. And the thing to do with when you're in business, especially online, is to sort of take your time, as Wyatt Earp used to say about shooting. Take your time, but hurry up, okay? Do something every day rather than, go flat out or, doing your business online for 14, 20 hours a day or whatever. Try and just do a little bit every day. That's what I do, and I'm committed. I'm there for the long run. So there you go, guys. Really can't say any more. I'll leave a link for both these companies, Bluehost and GetResponse, down below. I think they're awesome companies. I've never had a problem with them. I've just joined GetResponse, but I've heard good things about them, and very good price for what they do. Okay, and so what's that? What do we got? Let's work it out. What did I pay for that? No, so I got $20 a month for the GetResponse, and $2, which I actually, what you can do, guys, to get this price too, what you do is you pay lump sum for the year. And I think that's what I did, and I paid about $100 or something. I can't remember. 12. Oh no, it wouldn't even be that. But that's US dollars, and I paid New Zealand. So that's about, you can say $5. That, you guys will get if you start now, you'll get that for less than I paid, because I think I paid $2.95. $3, which is about $6 times 12, $90. So so $90 plus the $20 a month that I paid. But if you guys can afford, pay it in a year, you'll get it probably cheaper than I did. So I'm paying $19 a month at the moment, which is $5 a week. So let's have a look. Paid, say, whatever, 90 for Bluehost, and I'm paying, say, 20 a month. 12, 240 and 90. So 330. So $330, guys. You don't have to, like I say, you don't have to get your email thing. You can put that hello bar in for free. And you can actually get your business up and running for $90. So there you go. But, I'm committed to this, so I'm prepared to pay a little bit more. But all up, about $300 and you've got your business, guys, okay? A little bit cheaper than hundreds of $1,000s for university with no guarantee of work at the end. Unless you're going to be something like a doctor or lawyer, etc. Okay? There you go. I'll leave the links below, guys. And subscribe, because I'm going to be coming out with helpful stuff like this every day. But now's the time while this Black Friday sale is on.